Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you guys this Samsung Galaxy A32 5G. This is a phone that has one of the best cameras currently available on the market. It is my new phone and I'll be unboxing it today. Let's get into it. I'll now unbox this. This is the Samsung show plate. And here is the phone. That's the phone. This is the charging plug that comes with it. And this is a USB-B to USB-C adapter charger. Also comes with a SIM pin, which is what you use to insert the SIM into the phone. Here is the phone. I'm going to turn it on. It is now starting the Android on the phone. And there we go. It is now on.